Today's global market reflects a cautious, optimistic tone, driven primarily by gains in the United States indices. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 170.57 points, up 0.40%, buoyed by strength in industrial and a rebound in investor sentiment. Similarly, the S&P 500 rose 0.46% to 5,862.87, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq surged 0.71% to 19,224.33. Showcasing renewed confidence in technology and growth sector, the Russell 2000, a barometer for small cap stock, outperformed with a 1.14% increase, signaling broad-based market strength. Meanwhile, the VIX, an indicator of market volatility, dropped by 1.67% to 18.97, suggesting a calmer trading environment as fears of immediate economic turbulence eased. In Canada, the market narrative was less positive. The S&P TSX Composite and TSX 60 saw slight declines of 0.11% and 0.20% respectively. These movements reflect caution in resource-heavy sectors as commodity prices remain volatile. Latin America markets presented a mixed picture. Brazil's Bovespa index slid 0.27%, shedding 326.71 points as concern over economic reforms and fiscal tightening weighed on sentiment. Conversely, Childs S&P IPSA rose 0.64%, reflecting gains in mining stock amid stabilizing copper prices. Mexico's S&P BMV IPC remained nearly flat, down by 0.004%, suggesting tepid market activity. Overall, today's market trends highlight strong performance in the United States, driven by optimism in growth sectors, while regional dynamics in Canada and Latin America reflect a varying level of investor confidence. Traders will likely keep a close eye on economic data and central bank commentary in the coming days to assess the sustainability of this rally. The commodities market today exhibited a mixed performance, with energy prices under pressure while precious metal gained modestly. WTI crude oil dropped 1.13% to $76.43, reflecting concerns about potential oversupply amid sluggish global demand. Brent crude oil mirrored this trend, declining 1.16% to $80.07 as geopolitical uncertainties and weaker economic data weighed on sentiment. Natural gas suffered the steepest loss among all energy commodities, down 1.78% to $3.37. Warmer than expected weather conditions forecast and increased inventory levels have led to declining demand and pricing pressure in the natural gas market. On a more positive note, the precious metal market showed resilience. Gold edged up by 0.13% to $2,682.20, continuing to benefit from the safe haven appeal as investors remain cautious about macroeconomic uncertainty and potential shift in the central bank policies. Silver gained 0.42% to $30.43, supported by industrial demand and its traditional use as the inflation hedge. In the agriculture sentiment, soybean saw a modest rise of 0.62%, reaching $10.60, driven by concern about potential supply disruption in major producing regions. Today, performance underscores diverging trends with the commodity market. Energy prices are under pressure due to macroeconomic headwinds, while precious metals remain a haven for risk-averse investors. As market navigate these mixed signal, trader will closely watch upcoming economic data and central bank decisions for further directions.